Welcome to Home Squad Reviews. The ring bridge lets the ring lights, doorbells, and cameras talk to each other. This means that if one of the ring bridge enabled device detect motion, it can turn on ring lights, cameras, etc. Let's unbox this device. Here is the ring bridge. This is the mount for the ring bridge. The screws and the power cable. Let's get power to the ring bridge. Once the Wi-Fi light starts to blink, click the menu, click Set up a device, click Smart Lighting, click I'm ready to scan the QR code found at the back of the device, click Continue, click Bridge is on, click the blue light is flashing button, click Got it, click Join. It's now connecting to the bridge, scanning available Wi-Fi networks. Select your Wi-Fi network and enter your password. Once connected, the ring bridge will download updates. Once this is complete, then click I am done button. You should see a video pop up of me installing the mailbox sensor using this ring bridge. See you in the next video.